Well, I've repaired the wing, so we'll give it another try. It's a little bit later in the day. Not quite sure what time it is. Football's on at the moment. Apparently we're England and Croatia are 1-1 at the moment, so that might give you an idea of what time of day it is if you're a football fan, which, as you can tell, I'm not, because I'm out here. Anyway, we'll give this little fella another go. Hat cam on. Let's try a throw. Okay, I'll try a harder throw. Whoa! I was expecting that to lift itself up and it didn't. Oh well. I'm also going to try a gentle catapult launch. If I can find what I've done with the catapult. I'll try some lighter rubber bands. Right, this is when we broke the wing last time. Didn't do anything that time. Could be that I've got the hook way too far back. It's that far back because that's actually in the original Spitfire shape. That's where the body goes. Whereas normally I'd have the hook further forwards. In that case I've got nothing to lose. We'll go for the other rubber band. Yeah, that would appear to be the problem. I've got the hook far too far back. I could go and cut a notch in it up here somewhere. And the trouble is I don't have a saw, I've only got a knife, and that'll be quite difficult. Maybe there. Let's go for a throw instead. That was quite nice. Try it without that extra bit of weight. That was better. Oh, not like that. Whoa. So we're working as a chuck glider. Not a high flying one, just a fun one. Whoa. Oh well, that's today done. Another bit of glue and maybe glue a notch further forwards. So, chuck glider, not too bad, but we still haven't got a catapult launch.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.